A'udhu billahi minasyaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My courtesies to all the participants of the second Research Congress of MSU External Units. To the Assistant Vice Chancellor for Academic Affairs, Dr. Samsia Paitaw Dumrang, to other university officials in attendance, my fellow faculty members, our beloved students, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to AVC Dumrang for her kind invitation. It is truly an honor to be with you today in this gathering of young scholars. As the research director of the main campus, I am proud to witness how the MSU external units continue to foster a strong and promising research culture, especially at the level of basic education. This Congress is more than just a course requirement. It is a platform where curiosity meets purpose and where learning begins to shape impact in the community. Research is the driving force behind the advancement of human civilization. It propels us to new heights and pushes the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Today, we gather to celebrate this very spirit, a spirit that is very much alive in the Mindanao State University. As we know, MSU's founding mandate is to provide quality education, advance research, and contribute to peace and development in Mindanao. And we believe that research is a pillar of development. At MSU, research is not an afterthought. It is woven into our governance, education, and community engagement. Our university president, Attorney Basari D. Mapupuno, has made research a key pillar of his administration's agenda. In Agenda 2, he calls on MSU to become a catalyst for transformative, community-centered change. From promoting sustainable development and ecotourism to incentivizing knowledge creation and innovation, we are building a university culture that values both scientific excellence and social relevance. We have seen this commitment come to life. In 2023, we held the first MSU System Research Extension and International Summit, followed by the first MSU Main Campus Research and Development Summit. These gatherings help define the direction of MSU's research culture and led to the formulation of our own research and development agenda. Just this February, we convened again for the second MSU Main Campus R&D Summit, where we reinforced our strategic framework to support MSU's aspiration of becoming a premier research and national peace university. At the Mamitwa Saber Institute of Research and Creation, we take pride in being the research arm of the university, supporting scholarly and creative endeavors of our constituents across disciplines. Our data show that MSU has always carried the responsibility of advancing knowledge, not only for academic excellence but also for national development and cultural preservation. Our main campus in Marawi has consistently lived up to this mission. With over 790 research articles published in international journals and 356 publications indexed in Scopus, we have proven that MSU Main Campus is a force in the global research community. I am also happy to announce that MSIRC is now officially registered as book publisher with the National Book Development Board as recognized under Republic Act 8047. With this, I invite both students and faculty to cite, consult, and even contribute to our publications, the Mindanao Journal and the Mindanao Art and Culture, particularly in the areas of science and technology, social sciences and humanities, and cultural documentation. One of our crowning achievements is the 10-year documentation, translation, and publication of the Darangan, which has been declared both a national cultural treasure by the National Museum of the Philippines and a UNESCO masterpiece of the oral and intangible heritage of humanity. This project, among many others, reflect the vital role of research in preserving and enriching our cultural identity. And this brings me to my final point, my challenge to all of you. As members of the MSU external units, you have a unique advantage. You are situated within communities where Maranao culture is lived daily, not just studied. You have access to key persons, elders, cultural bearers, and tradition keepers whose wisdom and experiences remain untapped treasures. You are in the best location to do research that matters not only to your academic growth but also to the cultural survival of our people. So I urge you to pursue research on cultural preservation. Interview our elders, document our traditions, reclaim and retell the stories of your hometowns. This work is not just for future historians or anthropologists. It is for you, it is for us, and it is for the generations to come. Rest assured that you have my full support and the support of MSIRC in your research journey. Let this Congress mark not the end but the beginning of that pursuit. Together, as one MSU external units, let us build a culture of research that is rooted in identity, relevant to our people, and resonant in impact. Thank you very much, and mabuhay ang mga researchers ng Mindanao State University.